Hello! I thought to show you some of my activities in July. Come with me as we go to a workshop delivered by A&B Cymraeg. This is me in front of this amazing building at the Calagan Square, going in the elevator to this prestigious Evershed Sutherland, and we had this beautiful course about understanding underrepresented groups. Now to the second activity. I am doing like a recap for my apprenticeship from when I started in October till now. Also, I've been doing a lot of AI and I'm wrapping up this month, just really understanding how AI works. And the TikTok project, guys, it's been really intensive, a lot of editing, a lot of translations from English to Welsh, and I've had some very amazing samples that I got feedback from my line manager and Sarah, that they really liked some and I needed to adjust some. So yeah, this is just a recap of my activities in July. Thank you.